It's the warning message regarding AI generative content. Are you creating the contents regarding LLM or AI searches? Of course, definitely yes. So these days, everyone is creating the content, want to mention their website in AI and LLM. So basically, Google has officially said no. So this is right time to stop our content, generate the content regarding AI or LLM. So because Google farmers also clearly said that don't create the content, just please to like LLM or AI searches, because bit site and chunk the content is not a long-term strategy. So but if it is not a long-term strategy, then what Google wants? Because Google wants basically human first content, and contents that deliver the right value to the human, not an AI trick. So basically, today's maybe AI tricks is the working right now, and we are able to mention our website in AI such as an LLM, but it's not a long-term strategy. So Google's systems improve, and so AI optimize the content will stop the performing. So now if Google this type of the content will stop the performing in the future, so maybe what type of the impact we will see on our results. So right now it's the time to we have to focus on our the content wisely. We have to choose the content wisely. We have to implement the content wisely on. Till then, enjoy and take care. Obviously.